Hello, Internet! Matthew here, and welcome to Whiteboard Hero, the show where I bring you an expert in a thing, and he teaches you about the thing. I'm here with the splendiferous Jason Safford today of the Green Mind Initiative. He likes that word. That's a good word. And today we're going to talk about
Green Mind.
the Green Mind.
Yeah.
And how do we get to the Green Mind?
So the Green Mind is a concept that I came up with. It's actually based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Oh.
And at the top of the pyramid is self-actualization. And
Okay.
that's what I consider the Green Mind. It comes from 20 years of being an entrepreneur, having lots and lots of failures over that time, but constantly trying to get to the next level of really being focused on what I really want to do, how I really want to help people, and getting to those goals and actually actualizing how I'm going to achieve success.
So self-actualization.
That's right.
Oh, geez, that's a big one for 5 minutes. Go!
Okay. So, well, we'll start with the word failure. And most people are terrified. Whoa, failure is there.
We're off to a great start.
Yeah, sorry. So people are terrified of the word failure.
Okay.
But if you think of a baby, okay, every time a baby tries to get up and walk, it falls down.
Right.
Okay, and it's only over time that it learns to walk. It fails constantly.
Right.
Okay, as an entrepreneur, you're going to fail numerous times. Okay. And the faster you fail is the faster that you can learn lessons, find silver linings, find positive outcomes to apply going forward. So accepting failure is going to happen is the first thing. And, you know, I have failed. I've started more than, 24 businesses. I've also helped at least, several hundred companies with their businesses and oftentimes trying to just help them raise money, but also with growing their employees, trying to find clients, business development overall. The second thing is understanding stagnation, okay?
Okay.
So once you fail and you get up and you start moving forward, there's always going to be a wall that you hit. And that wall oftentimes is stagnation.
Okay.
And what it is that you're working really hard, you're putting in the effort, okay? But you're not seeing the result.
Right.
Okay? And that is where the challenge is that oftentimes when you don't see the result from your effort very quickly, you give up.
Throw up the hands,
That's right.
Walk away,
Walk away, that's it.
Flip the table.
Right. And so one of the things that I learned, is having healthy habits.
Okay.
Okay? So this is a little...
That's okay. I'm gonna put the captions on the bottom of the screen later.
So this little nugget for you is that healthy habits are something that you start to develop out of failure.
Okay.
So it's only through making mistakes, and it doesn't matter how small or big the mistake is, as long as you accept it, acknowledge it, and accept that it's okay. Okay? The biggest thing that we tend to do is fear judgment from other people because of our failures rather than saying, hey, what have you done?
Right.
Okay? Now,
we don't turn it around. We immediately feel attacked and we accept the attack.
That's exactly right. So when people criticize you for whatever you've done wrong, okay, turn it around on them and say, well, what have you done? When you get out of the bed in the morning, what do you do that makes a difference in this world? Okay? So
that's something to focus on.
So now we apply it to what's really important is the golden rule. Okay, now most people think of the golden rule that there are two different golden rules. Okay. There's the business golden rule and there's the life golden rule, or how we treat people. So we know the golden rule from the Bible as do unto others as you would have others
done unto you. Yeah.
The rule in business is he who has
as
the
goal makes the rule.
Right.
Yeah. Both are really cool.
Right, but there's actually a third golden rule which I've created, as a part of the Green Mind, which is that if you treat life like gold, there are no other rules.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. I'm pausing just so I could put that on the bottom of the screen so y'all can read that again.
Yeah.
Say that again?
So if you treat life like gold, there are no other rules. And that is a big part of self-actualization, is that you realize that the moment that you start to love life, the fact that you get up in the morning and you can make an impact and you can go towards your goal just by making an impact with other people,
Yeah.
and you treat them like gold, and you treat life like gold, things become easier for you. So you know, there are 7 steps to greening your mind. And the first step is...
I'm going to stop you there.
Okay.
I'm going to put that on another segment.
Okay.
I didn't think you could actually wrap up self-actualization in about 5 minutes, and you did.
Okay.
So kudos to you, man.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we are going to catch up with Jason. We're going to talk about those 7 steps on another segment, so stay tuned here on YouTube and on Instagram. Check out Jason's work on his website, and remember, level up. Take care, everybody.